A journey of 1,000 miles begins with a single step. Well, there's that first step. It's the name of the game, hedging. The idea is to create an adorable physics-based puzzle game set on a farm. That first step lacked momentum though, as it looks like I created this listing over 2 years ago. However, some progress did occur, as I do have a song for the title screen. It's something that I made with GarageBand. It's one of the reasons why I want to make this game, as sometimes the song gets stuck in my head. It's not enough to make a cute game. It has to stand out somehow. That's what this video is about. After playing around with augmented reality, the simplistic gameplay of hedging could theoretically work in a 3D space. The idea is simple. If you press an open area in the play field, that plants a hedge. If you press the hedge after that, the hedge will be removed. Animals will bounce off the hedges as they run around. The levels will be based on these animals, starting with Level Chicken. As a humorous nod to Crossy Road, the famous game by Hipster Whale. However, I'm not sure if voxel-style graphics will work here. That's still to be determined, and it's certainly one of the biggest challenges with this game, the artwork. Since augmented reality is one of the project goals, that means using 3D graphics. That means I have to make or buy them. And since this is a hybrid game, one that can be played in AR or normally, that means figuring out a significant amount of programming. As an example, I can easily get the location of a touch in a website. But how does that work in AR? So I did some quick research and spotted AR hit test result. But that's deprecated. I suppose that's fine, as now I don't have to unlearn it. But then what's the replacement? Well, I might be able to accomplish that with ray tracing. Essentially, I need to read the ARKit documentation. I probably should play around with the SwiftShot demo too. This video is just part 1 of the series. It's only the plan. It's important to get that part right, as this can avoid a lot of unnecessary work overall. And since this is a solo project, I'm not using fancy project management software. Just some checkboxes in an iCloud note. But basically, the plan is to first create the game without graphics, to see if it's fun, to see if it works. From there, then it's safe to create the graphics. As each character is created, it can be added to the game. Another goal is to create an environment that feels more alive. Not only are the main animals important, there should be cute woodland creatures that scurry about too. From there, then Apple TV support is to be added. This device is somewhat neglected, as I think there could be lots more gaming excitement on Apple TV. Ultimately, the goal is to get this game on Apple Arcade. But if Apple doesn't pick up the game, Apple TV is an angle that can make this game unique. This game could be playable with the standard Apple TV remote. That's why this game is being written in Swift. That's to make the game lightweight and take full advantage of Apple hardware. Once the game is running on iPhone, iPad, Mac, and Apple TV, it can be opened up to testing. Apple's test flight should make managing that part easier. With a solid testing environment, and with the game running smoothly, cooperative multiplayer can be added. The idea is to add Game Center features to the game. This encourages replay and makes the game more engaging. I don't think there are enough cooperative games. So, being able to play through levels specifically designed for cooperative play could be a lot of fun. Once all of that is done, the game could launch. I don't necessarily consider multiplayer a must-have launch feature, but it is important. Quite often I see parents looking for games that they can play with their kids, and this game aims to be that. So, if this sounds interesting to you, subscribe to Photics TV for future updates. Thanks for watching.